In this video tutorial today, I'm going to explain to you how to remove a dead hard drive from a Dell Dimension 4400 desktop computer. Okay, for this computer, how to open it. It opens like an accordion style. There's a button on the top, which you can see right there, a black button, and there is a button which you can hopefully see on the bottom there. You want to be able to press those at the same exact time to open up the case in the accordion style. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so that's how you open up the computer itself to expose the internal guts of the computer. Okay, so once you have your computer open, your Dell 4400 desktop computer, you want to be able to remove your hard drive. In order to do this, you're going to remove the power, the connections from the motherboard, the power, and the bus. So you go like this. It may take a little bit of effort, like that. And there is one connection, and there is the other connection, like so. Okay, so once that's disconnected, you can safely remove your hard drive. Obviously, it's a little dusty here. There are no screws to this hard drive. So basically, what you're going to want to do, and this may take a little bit of effort, there are two little, if you will, green connectors here. There, like I said, there are no screws. So you're just going to want to squeeze on both sides, kind of like so, and you just simply move the hard drive up, like so, to dislodge it from the casing. Okay, so that is how you remove the hard drive, and then once you have the hard drive out like this, you can then take the green encasing off, and then do whatever you want with the hard drive. So that is how you remove the hard drive from a Dell Dimension 4400 desktop computer. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.